This looks like a cup of moss in swampy water. It is, but it also has a secret. In the moss hides a tiny plant. Bladderwort grows over the moss and down the pot. It grows into the murky water. This is because it knows what lives in the water. Here is a drop of water and a bit of bladderwort. We can use the microscope to see the secret the bladderwort has. The water is busy with life. Tiny creatures swim about. This is the bladderwort's bladder. It is a trap. If a creature large enough brushes against the many hair-like tendrils, the bladder sucks the creature inside through the dark green trap door. The bladderwort waits for prey large enough to trap. I keep pond water in many jars for my bladderworts. Many tiny creatures swim in the water drop. We can see right through them. Some can change shape. Some have long threads holding them in place. They bounce in the water. They like to stay close to the moss. Some even live inside the moss. Many have tiny hairs called cilia that stir the water. They sweep food into their mouth this way. There are many of some creatures. We have many tiny green worms called nematodes. Other creatures are harder to find. This one opens like a flower. This one uses his cilia to walk. They caught a snack. This one opens his mouth before swimming away. They are cute, silly blobs. The end.